Welcome back. Today it's me Beto G. I'm going to be making Barbados trap beats today. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop my new videos you will get notified. I'm going to be making Barbados trap beats. Now let's get started programming the trap beat. When launching your FL Studio, before start making your beat, make sure you put your cursor like this, you right click like this, then you press open. But for me, I've already launched my FL Studio before I will start to program my Barbados trap beat. So I'm just going to enter my FL Studio. I'm just going to enter my FL Studio like this. This is my channel rack. I'm going to click on Add, click on Citrus. Then after clicking, I'll put my cursor on this empty space, left click and hold it, turn my mouse wheel to channel 5. Click on this plugin option, then click on preset. I'll make sure I pick a good sound. So I'm going to pick one called, let me just look at the sound. I'm just going to pick one called hash. So I'm going to use this one to program my Barbados trap beat. I'll put my cursor on this empty space, right click, then click on piano roll. Another technique today is we are going to press Ctrl and E, then press Add and Cure, as you can see, to arrange your melodies. After that, we are going to press Add and R. Let's play the beat and see how it sounds. The next step is we are going to pick in another melody to make it a 2 melody loops. So we are going to click on Add here, click on Boo Bars, put your cursor here, left click and hold your mouse, turn the mouse wheel to channel 6, put your cursor on top of this empty space, then you right click and click on piano roll. We are going to start programming the bass melodies. These are the bass melodies now. I'll press Ctrl and B to extend the beat. The next step is we start to program the hi-hat now. On channel 3, I will right click and click on piano roll. So I'll start to program my hi-hat now. I'll just arrange the 1 bar pattern. Highlight it to the left, press Ctrl and B several times to reach bar number 8. The next step is we will start to program the snare. This is the snare. I will right click and then click on piano roll. At the ending of each bar, I'm putting my snare like this. And that's okay. The next step is we will start to program the kick now. I'm going to left click and hold it, drag my kick to channel 1, right click and then click on piano roll. So I'll just put in my kick like this. I'm arranging my okay. I will put in my kick like this. The next step is I'm going to click on channel 1, click on this boost knob, turn the boost knob right up, and that's okay. Let's play the beat and mix it. As you can see, that's how the beat is sounding. The next step is we'll start to mix the beat now. So 5 and 6, 5 and 6, 5 and 6. I'm going to bring down the 5 a little bit, bring down the 6 on 5. I'll click on slot 1 and add a Fruity parametric EQ2 on slot 2. I'm going to add the Fruity soft clipper. I'll click on slot 3, add the Fruity limiter. Then on channel 6, I'll click on slot 1 and add a Fruity parametric EQ2. On slot 2, I'm going to add the Fruity limiter. On slot 3, I'm going to add the Fruity soft clipper. Then 3 and 6, I'm going to turn up the 3, click on slot 1 and add the sound goodnizer. On channel 3, I'm going to click on slot 1, add the Fruity parametric EQ2. Then turn up my kick. I put my cursor here at the top left corner. If you see swap left and right channels, just click like this. Swap left and right channels like this, and that's okay. Then I'm going to, where they say view playlist, I'll click here. Where I've written part 1, I'll put my cursor on top of this part 1. Then right click on my mouse, then click split by channel. As you can see, everything we have programmed has appeared on the top left corner on my FL Studio. I'm going to click on my kick, then click back in my playlist. For new beginners, this is how you can do a beat. I'll click on my snare like this, click on my playlist, click on my first melody, then click into my playlist, click on my last melody, click into my playlist. After that, I'm going to highlight to the left, then press Ctrl and B several times to reach this bar number 8. Then after that, I'm going to extend my beat right up to many numbers. So I'm going to remove the 1 from 1 to 9. From 1 to 7, I'm going to remove the kick. I'm extending my beat from 1 to 7, and that's okay. Then after that, from 37, I'll just highlight it. From 39, I'll just highlight it. You can just press Ctrl and B. You can just press Ctrl and A, then press Ctrl and B to copy a beat, to extend a beat right up. Extending my beat right up to 79. After that, I will just extend my beat. I'll just click on my first melody. First of all, I'll click on this draw, then I'll extend my beat from 81. I'll extend my beat right from, I'll start from 81 to extend my beat, and this is the outro. But you can make a beat longer, however you want it to be. From 81, I'm extending my beat. I'll remove the hi-hat, remove the snare from 65 to 69, and that's okay. Then I'll go back to our mixer. From 3 and 4, I'll put my cursor on top of this channel 3. Right click on my mouse, then click on create automation clip. On 4, I will right click, then click on create automation clip. Now let's listen to the Barbados trap beat from the start to the end. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching how to make Barbados trap beats. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time in another video. Goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe.